Hello and welcome guys, hope you are doing great. So in this video today we will discuss some advanced topic in PHP language. And so we have taken the topic design pattern and we will discuss the different type of. First we will see what is design pattern, then we will see what are the benefit of this design pattern, then we will see some example of design pattern in context of PHP programming language. So let's begin with that. So design pattern are widely used in PHP just as they are in many other languages, like you have in Java, you have in .NET, you have in C, C++. So it is almost similar in the PHP language. To solve the common problem, which type of problem? Common software problem, and create more maintainable and scalable code. Why design pattern? That means why you use design pattern. So design pattern offers numerous benefits that includes reusability, maintainability, scalability, abstraction, consistency, problem solving, documentation, cross-discipline communication, quality and reliability. And we will see the types of design pattern here. So here you can see the first benefit is reusability. So whenever you work around design pattern in any programming language, so design pattern provide tried and tested solution to the common problems. By using this pattern, you can leverage existing solution rather than reinventing the wheel each time you encounter a similar problem. This promotes code reuse and reduce the duplication. The another benefit is maintainability. So whenever you follow a proper design pattern, your code will be optimized in that way. It will be easy to maintain that. That means whenever you require to change any function, any string, any class, you need to add any new library, then you can easily do that. Then the other benefit is scalability. Design patterns often result in modular and flexible code. So the modularity makes it easier to scale your application by adding new feature or component without affecting the existing code. So you can swap out components or modify them as needed without causing widespread changes. Okay, so let's move to another benefit of this design pattern, that is abstraction. So many design patterns involve creating abstraction that hide complex implementation details. Okay, same the consistency. The next benefit, design pattern provide a common vocabularies and set of conventions that developer can follow. This consistency in design and coding practices makes it easier for team to collaborate effectively. Okay, it also improves the maintainability of the code base when multiple developers work on the same project. So as you work in a team, so you might have the many people working on the same project, like the many developer daily pushes the code daily, monthly, weekly basis. So this consistency can be achieved from that by following the proper design pattern while developing your code. Okay, so the next benefit is problem solving. So design pattern encapsulate solution to a specific design problem. When you encounter a familiar problem, you can quickly apply to the corresponding pattern rather than devising a new solution from scratch. So this saves a lot of time and ensure that you are using the proven approach. Okay, moving to the next benefit, documentation. Design patterns serve as a form of documentation. When you use well-known patterns, other developers familiar with these patterns can quickly understand your code. So design pattern is basically it is globally known and recognized terms every programming language introduce. There are you can see the very minor difference that gets changes when it comes to across the languages. So usually developer know or These are the very common interview question when you are in experience around 5 plus. Then you must have to encounter the design problem, design pattern related question.